Topic: snoring. Why do we snore?
I don't snore, I sing.
All right, now let me explain. Snoring is a noisy, rattling sound occurring during sleep.
Oh, really? I thought snoring is a pleasing piano sound.
Please listen. Snoring is basically caused due to obstruction of air in our respiratory tract during breathing. When we breathe, we take in air through nose or mouth, which then passes down the throat into the lungs. Normally, when we aren't asleep, our mouth parts like soft palate and uvula keep this tract wide open, allowing air to pass easily. However, excess growth of soft palate and uvula in some people causes snoring. So when these people sleep, these parts fall on the back of their throat, creating an obstruction. Hence, when they inhale, the air hits these parts, making them vibrate, which we hear as snoring.